guys, Michael Bodner here with a quick follow-up for my 2-bucket method wash. Today we need to do a quick in-between wash. So what I'm going to do is grab a fresh microfiber towel, and I'm also going to grab my Optimum Opti-Clean, and let's go ahead and get started. As you can see, and hopefully the camera picks this up, I was pelted by bugs on the highway last night. We'll really see it on the front bumper here. And we need to do an in-between wash. So we don't want to do the whole 2-bucket method again. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, we're just going to spray a little bit of the Opti-Clean spray on the bumper. Fold into quarters, as we've been doing with our 2-bucket method, and just wipe. You can see it doesn't take too much effort. Alright, towel's pretty dirty, so we'll flip it over. A little more spray down. Certainly don't want to leave these bugs on the bumper. Definitely bad for your paint. Go over with one more pass. It's probably the worst that my Model 3 has been hit by bugs since getting the car a couple months ago. Alright, now we'll move on to the windshield. Put down a spray. So we'll hop over to the other side. Alright, that's pretty much it. It looks like our mirrors were hit as well. Alright, so how'd we do? Windshield was covered in bugs. Pretty much gone now. Front bumper, same story. Got a little bit down here that we missed. Touch up that spot. But as you can see, this will prepare us to make it the rest of the week until we go back to our full wash with the 2-bucket method. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video showing you how to use Optimum Opti-Clean and a fresh microfiber towel to clean your car in between full washes. Talk to you guys next time.